Hello there guys, I welcome you all to my new video. In this video I am reviewing the 2020 Tata Nexon Petrol BS6 model. Initially this car was launched in the year 2017 in Indian market as subcompact SUV, which was targeting the likes of Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Ford EcoSport and all. This car comes with two engine options, one petrol engine and one diesel engine. Both petrol and diesel comes with automatic and manual gearbox options. The petrol engine happens to be a 1200cc 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, which makes about 120 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque. The diesel engine happens to be a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine, which makes about 110 PS of maximum power and a class-leading 260 Nm of maximum torque. The uniqueness of this car is its ground clearance. The ground clearance happens to be a 209 mm, which is a first in class of subcompact SUV segment. Subcompact SUV is nothing but the length of the car should be less than 4 meters and the look should be like SUV-ish, but it's looking more like a coupe crossover. You get LED DRLs both at the back and at the front. The LED DRLs look astonishing. The tire size happens to be 215/60 R16 tires, which is pretty much very large for this car. Let's hop inside the car and see how the interior looks like. Wow, the interior looks amazing. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and everything including voice command and all. This car has an automatic climate control AC single zone, and it has a 6-speed automatic gearbox, AMT gearbox, and it also comes with a drive selector, city mode, eco mode and sport mode. City mode happens to be delivering about 100 PS, eco mode is now about 80 PS and sport mode gives the full power of this engine, which is about 120 PS. It alters the gear changes also. The sport mode holds the gear for a long time, whereas the eco mode short shifts the gear for maximum fuel economy. Coming to the instrument cluster, it is an all digital unit. The tachometer is a bit hard to read because it's like a bars going on, but we get used to it after like 10-20 kilometers. We get used to it. The speedometer is a full digital unit. It also comes with a tire pressure monitoring system. It gives a mileage of about 11-12 kmpl in the city and 15-16 kmpl in the highway max. This car also comes with a sunroof in the top end variant. It's not a panoramic glass roof as MG Hector, but it's a normal sunroof, which looks kinda nice. Let me open the sunroof for you. Ooh, sunroof. It's like a kid can stand and enjoy the scenery while driving in the hill station and all.